Hello, I'm going to show you how to download and install PulseVPN. First, open a web browser and go to chargerware.uah.edu and enter. And scroll down to the PulseVPN and click that. You come to the options page. We're going to download the option for Windows. Click download. On this page, go ahead and sign in with your UAH email credentials. Once you log in, you will come to the download page. Click download. Once the file has downloaded, you can open that from the browser. Once it runs, go ahead and click Next, and then the Install button. The UAC account control asks you if you want to install this. Go ahead and click Yes. While that is installing, this page that we click the link to download on, we can go ahead and close that one. This one we will keep open, or we can go ahead and copy this part right here that says psvpn.uah.edu. We can copy that. That is the server that we're going to have to enter in a moment. So go ahead and click Finish. And once that installs, we can click over onto the Windows and scroll down to the new folder. Should be Pulse Secure. Go ahead and click that and click the icon for the Pulse Secure. You will now see that the Pulse Secure application opens. We need to add a connection first, so we will click on the plus sign. Once we're here, we will enter our name and this server URL. That is what we copied from over there on the other page. So we'll just paste that there. Note that we've got it all correct. And we're not going to do connect, we're going to do add. Once we have done the add, now we will do the connect. And so here it is again asking us for our charger ID and password. So here we can go ahead and type in our charger ID. I'm going to go ahead and click Save Settings, and that way we won't have to type that in every time. And now it tells us that we have connected. It shows here that we are connected. It wants us to do an upgrade, and so we will complete the upgrade. And now it will restart. And it is showing down here in your tray. You can open it. And you can see that we are disconnected. So we want to connect. And we are connected. And that's all there is to it. You can close that window. And now you should be able to log in remotely to your desktop at UAH. When you're done with your session and you're ready to log off, you can click here and you can open this and you can disconnect. And then you can close that and you're no longer connected to the VPN. Hope all goes well. Thank you for listening.